What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here. Welcome to the channel. I'm excited to bring you another fabulous YouTube tutorial on CPA marketing. Totally free traffic methods, you get me? So let's get started. I'm not gonna waste any time. Alright, so what you're gonna need is a few offers. I got a few select offers that I've picked from Maxbounty. I've got the Visa $1,000 gift card giveaway. I have PlayStation 5 versus Xbox, and I have the Apple Watch giveaway. And I based these gifts typically off, since it's the holiday season, it's around Christmas, so these would be typically easy to network and market. So you're gonna need to have, a CPA network if you don't already a part of one. You're gonna need a small email list, and you're gonna need Google Drive as well. And so what we're gonna be doing here is similar to the other episode that I just recently dropped. If you haven't watched that episode, I'll leave the link in the description for that episode. It's pretty much basically the same thing, except we're gonna use a different technique. I'm making it more so for CPA marketing and everyone. So pretty much we're gonna have this, and we're gonna come back to Google Docs, and we're gonna make another PDF file, and we're gonna make it a little bit more interesting. So I want to get like Visa gift card. Okay, I like this one. We have PS5. Let's save this image. And we have Apple Watch. So after we do that, we're gonna go to this site I call Remove Backgrounds, and we're gonna upload these photos. Boom. Remove background, download. Oops, couldn't do that one. So we'll fix that later. Let's try this one. Download. All right. Now after you do that, we're gonna go to Google Docs. And we're going to create another one. Okay, I'm trying not to make this video too long, so I'm gonna keep it short. So I've created this little small Google Doc here. I'm now adding my CPA offer link to each one of these elements. And I made something simple, easy, quick, and then I'm going to question mark there, and then let's download as a PDF, and then we're going to show in folder, and we're going to share this PDF. My mistake, sorry, we're not going to share it. Then we're going to come to Google Drive. Hurry up, trying to keep this video short. Okay, and we're going to upload a new file. I'm going to upload this PDF file. Alright. Once it's loaded, then we're going to right click and then we're going to share. And for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go into too much deep detail about this. This is pretty simple and straight to the point. You can either create a group or upload them individually. I'm just going to use for an example one of the emails that I already have, but this is where you upload your list of emails, or create a group and then send it all at once. But and then click send. It's immediately going to go to their inbox of their Gmail directly, without you worrying about getting blocked from the spam folder. See, boom, there it is. Look at that. What side are you on? Then they open it and they can pick and choose. And there it is. Goes straight to your CPA offer, and it's straight to the point, no problems. And I mean, yeah, you can't beat that. It's free traffic. You can share this with any CPA network and don't have to worry about getting sent to the spam folder or your stuff not going through. So this is CJ with Smart Grind Affiliates. You know what I'm saying? I hope this video was valuable. Be sure to drop a comment if you don't have any questions. Hit the sub button and the bell notification for more great videos. You already know.